Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and we're looking at some of the possible allelic combinations of the parents which could result in this pedigree scenario. In this pedigree, there is an affected female and an affected male. We are discussing X-linked scenarios. We're saying that big B is normal vision, little b is colorblind, and if the square or the circle is shaded, then we have an affected individual. The scenario that seemed to work out for a colorblind female would be if the father was also colorblind. So I shaded him as colorblind, X little b y. I placed the female, the mother, as X big B, X little b. She's a carrier. There are four possibilities in a mating scenario for these two. X big B, X little b is a carrier female. X little b is a female who is colorblind. X big B, Y is a normal male, and X little b, Y is an affected male. So here is the 25% chance male, 25% chance female resulting from these two parents.